Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my 500 subscribers Q&A and I'm going to also be announcing the winner of the Amazon gift card at the end of the video. So definitely stay tuned to that to see if you are the winner. Without further ado, let's just get on into it. So I asked you guys to send me questions here on YouTube and also over on my Instagram account. So if you're not following me over there, definitely go and give me a follow because I ask polls and questions and stuff over there that you won't see over here. So I've got a bunch of questions. I'm actually really surprised with how many that I got. So I'm really excited. So let's just get on into it. I'm not going to say the names of the people who sent me the questions. I don't know if they want me to say their names or not. I mean, I'm sure they probably wouldn't mind, but I'm not going to anyways, just in case. But the first question that I got is, what is your next goal for YouTube? So my next goal is definitely to hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm really excited for that. That's when you get to be partner verified or whatever, so you can start making money off of your videos. And I just feel like it means you're a real YouTuber. That makes sense once you hit that milestone. So I'm really excited for that. I can't wait for that one to come to pass. I'll be very excited that day. And then the next question is, what is your favorite type of video to film? That's kind of a hard question because I have two channels. So I have this channel and then I also have a Booktube channel where I talk a lot about books. And I'd say probably some of my favorite videos to film are over there because I love reading and I love books so much. So probably some of my Booktube videos are my favorites to film. But I also I just love doing YouTube. I just love it so much. I love everything about it. So I really like also filming law of attraction videos over here. Those videos don't do as well on my channel for some reason. My cleaning videos do really well, which I also love filming my cleaning videos because I get to kind of kill two birds with one stone. I'm filming a video for my channel, but I'm also cleaning my house, which needs to be done anyways. So basically I don't really have an answer for that question. I just love filming in general. Where do you like to shop for clothes? I rarely shop for new clothes, to be honest with you. Very rare. And if I do shop for new clothes, 9 times out of 10, it's at Walmart. I'm very happy for you. My husband is a dual citizen, and so I'm curious what part of Canada you're from. My hubby's dad still resides in Nova Scotia. Wow, that's awesome. Nova Scotia is actually a place that I've always wanted to go. I definitely would love to visit the Maritime Provinces. I'm very far away from Nova Scotia. I'm from Saskatchewan. This next one is an awesome question. If you could have one superpower, what would it be and why? If you could give your son a superpower, what would it be? P.S. Love your channel. For real, most days I go down a YouTube vortex and your videos remind me to get my button gear. So thanks. Keep it up and see you at your 5 million. Wow, that would be awesome. Thank you so much. What if I could have a superpower, what would it be? I feel like that's a hard one. And if I could give my son one, what would it be? I feel like maybe I'd like to be able to fly or to be invisible. One of those two, maybe. I feel like me and Lane answered this question when we did our how well do you know each other, but I can't even remember what I said on that. But yeah, if I had to think about it now, probably be invisible or fly. And what would I give my son? I don't know if I'd want him to fly because what if he got hurt? Because I'm that mom. Maybe, I guess he could be invisible too. No, I don't want him to be invisible because then what if he was playing a trick on me and I can find him? Or what if he's listening in on conversations that he shouldn't be listening into? Super strength, maybe? That couldn't hurt him. He could just help people with that. So maybe I'd give him super strength. I feel like I gave bad answers to those questions. And that was a really cool question and I feel like I just did a disservice. What countries would you like to visit? Congrats on your 500 subs. Thank you so much. What countries would I love to visit? I would love to go to Europe, everywhere in Europe. My grandpa came straight from Switzerland. I would love to see Switzerland. My mom went there when she was a teenager and she said it's absolutely beautiful. So I still have family there. I would love to go and meet. Yeah, Paris, all over Europe, I think would be amazing. I've visited the States a couple of times in my life. I like to see more of the States as well. So yeah, that's probably about as adventurous as I get. My question is, what made you decide to join the booktube world, and what genre do you read most of the time? I found that I actually got a lot of booktube questions over here, which was interesting, because I never posted anything about this on my booktube channel or anything like that, but I got quite a few questions from the booktube community, which is awesome. So thank you for your question. What made me decide to join booktube? It took me a while. Like I started my booktube channel first before I started this channel. And it took me a while of watching YouTube before I decided to start a channel. And I got so excited watching other booktubers, particularly Haley in Bookland was my very first booktuber that I started watching. And then from her, I found like Jessie the Reader and like all those like Read by Zoe and like all these people that are big in the booktube world. I found a lot of them and I just got so excited about reading by watching their videos. It just made me want to do it. And it took me a while. Like I said, I watched them for a long time before I decided to do it. But yeah, I just was watching them and it was making me get more excited about reading. And then as I was reading more, I just decided that I wanted to start making videos too. So the first video that I made, I wasn't even sure if I was ever going to upload. I just made it and thought like, well, if it's crap, I won't upload it. But I decided to just on a whim upload it. And yeah, I haven't looked back since. It's been almost 2 years since no, I'm lying. It's been like a year and a half since I started that. And then after that, I started this channel too. So, oh, and then also it said, what genre do you read most of the time? Adult horror or YA horror? Another booktube question. What book got you into reading? Definitely, I've always been a reader. I think it started when I was a kid and my mom was reading the Chronicles of Narnia to me as bedtime stories. Like that was when I was pretty young. She was doing that. And I think that's what really got me into reading. And then I always loved reading. Once I learned to read in school, I just was always reading. Thank you for the giveaway. My question is, what's your favorite childhood book? I would say probably the Chronicles of Narnia for that reason. Like it gives me reminders of my mom. But a book that I read myself would definitely be the Harry Potter series. Also, there was a book called Thwonk. I'll put a picture of it. I know I have it here somewhere, but I think it might actually be downstairs. And it's a book about this girl that basically like gets Cupid to hit the guy that she likes with an arrow, and like her whole world just turns upside down. And I read this when I was in junior high. I think I was in 7th grade, and I loved it so much. I borrowed it probably like 50 times from the library, and I could not find it anywhere to buy. And this is like bad, but I wanted it so bad. So I told the library that I lost it, and then I just like paid them for it so that I could keep it. And I still have it to this day. Lane says, my question is, when are you coming to visit your best and oldest friend in the whole world? I would love to come as soon as possible. We'll see, girl. In the next couple months, hopefully. We'll see. Get some time off now. Okay, so that is going to be it for the Instagram questions. Now I'm going to move over to the questions that are actually left on the video. Okay, so the first question over here on YouTube is, what made you decide to start a YouTube channel? I think I kind of already answered that as well when somebody asked me what made me decide to start Booktube. Yeah, just watching other Booktubers got me excited about it. Super congrats on your 500 subs. I get so excited every time I get a sub. It is an achievement. What are you reading today? I actually have a new book that I'm about to be starting, and I can't remember what it's called because I haven't started it yet, and I don't know where it is. So, goals. Booktube goals. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Well, I would love for things to take off with YouTube, and I am using my law of attraction techniques to make that happen for myself. So I would love to be able to make money with my writing and with YouTube and be able to contribute to my family financially that way. I would love to have another child by then. And yeah, just be living my life here. I love the town that I live in, so I would stay in this town. Maybe if we got a little bit more money, maybe get a bigger house. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with where I am in life. I'd just like to maybe, like I said, be able to make money from the things that I'm passionate about, and also have one more child. Do you have any advice on starting a YouTube channel? Don't wait like I did. And I know a lot of people say this, just do it. Just do it. Don't just film a video, and you don't have to worry if it's awesome or if it's good or anything. And after just film a practice video and then edit it. And then just once it's done being edited, you're going to watch back and you're like, this isn't so bad. And then just upload it. Just do it. Because once you do it the first time, it becomes easier. You get used to it, and it's like not as big a deal as it was. But I spent like a year and a half watching YouTube videos being like, I wish I could do that. Well, I could, and I should have done it earlier, because then I'd be 3 years into my channels rather than a year and a half, and I would have probably hit a lot of milestones that I want to be hitting. Probably would be there already. So just do it. Don't waste time. The next year, what are your goals that you have manifested for yourself? I definitely want to have lost some weight. I want to be pregnant, and I want to be seeing some more success with my YouTube channels, and I want to finish my book. What's your favorite childhood book? I think once again I answered that already. I'm gonna stick with Harry Potter, I think. And the last question is, what is your favorite food? I would say probably sushi is my favorite food. I love sushi and pizza and chicken wings. I just love food, like a lot. Probably sushi. Yeah, sushi would be my favorite food. Okay, you guys, so now comes the time for the most important part of the video, and that is the winner of the 500 subscriber giveaway. So the winner of the giveaway gets a $25 Amazon gift card, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for everybody that entered, and for everybody that left me a question. I've always wanted to do a Q&A video, but I never thought that I would get any questions, so I never actually did one. So yeah, thank you so much to everybody who entered and for leaving me a question, because it made me really excited to be able to do one of these videos. But the winner is Megan from Megan the Bookish Girl over on Instagram. So she asked me the question, what was my favorite childhood book? And she asked me it both on Instagram, also on YouTube as well. I just went through and I put everybody's name into a hat that asked me a question, and that was followed me on both platforms, and I just drew it out of a hat. So I guess I probably could have included that footage, but y'all are just gonna have to trust me that that I just picked it at random. So anyways, Megan, thank you so much for your question, and I'll be getting in contact with you to let you know that you have won, and hopefully you're watching this video anyway, so you will know as well. But anyways, thank you to everyone who entered, and I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Thank you so much for 500 subscribers, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.